Hey everybody, this is the dashboard. Now this video is a little bit of a double header video, a 2-for-1 special if you will. We start out getting passed by a black Mustang who really just can't decide which lane he wants to be in while he's in such a huge hurry. Now then, as we're watching this Mustang having his lane choice issues, we pass by and notice 3 disabled vehicles on the side of the road. Right, real quick in a rapid succession. Now, what made this even weirder and made me pay attention was that all 3 of these disabled vehicles had at least 1 flat tire. Strange. They must have ran over something all in one place. Now, don't forget to like and subscribe to keep these videos coming your way. Dashboard, out.
He sounded funny, didn't he?
Join the conversation and make your point with Mark. Send an open mic using the radio station's app. This is the Mark K Show. Now Jacksonville's news and
make up your mind.
Things you need to know. Major sell-offs on Wall Street today, a day after the Federal Reserve signaled it would remain aggressive with raising interest rates in an effort to tame inflation. Relief on toll roads is on its way to Florida. Governor Ron DeSantis signs a bill today aimed at giving frequent drivers who use toll roads credits on their account. CDC is updating a tool to track rising cases of severe obesity in children who were previously off the charts. American Window Products offers free low-E coating on select windows at an affordable price that can help reduce your energy usage with 24-month zero-interest financing. Visit AmericanWindowProducts.com for a free estimate. American Window Products, the window professionals.
Now they decided to get
Are you a real estate investor or have considered investing and want to know where you can put your money that offers solid returns and protects against market volatility? It's Rich Jones. I want to introduce you to DLP Capital. CEO and founder Don Winter.
For more than a decade, DLP Capital has delighted our investors with consistent double-digit returns. Through the smart, conservative real estate investment strategy our company is built on, we have been able to achieve this with monthly distributions.
3 flat tires.
So our investors can keep more of their returns.
Dial stars. Toronto's all-new Express Equity line of credit program.
Oh look,
is just what you need.
there he is again.
You don't have to do a full refi. You can tap a small portion of the equity you have and enjoy a super low rate. With Toronto's Express Equity credit line, you can close in 7 to 10 days and a $50,000.
It's over and then gets back. It's over.
Hey you, yeah, you. If you enjoyed this video and want me to continue making these videos, leave a like, leave a comment, share this video, even click that little subscribe button. Come on, you know you wanna.